This monastery holds an important but difficult to visualize chapter of Bulgarian cultural history. Its 16th century role as a center of manuscript creation, iconography, and bookbinding was known through fragmented evidence, expert interpretation, and historical memory. But visitors could not easily imagine how this world once looked. For the municipality, in partnership with the History Museum and Geotechmin Group, Tornado Studios created a guided VR reconstruction of 3 monastic workshops: the Scriptorium, the Iconography workshop, and the Bookbinding workshop. We scanned selected objects, created digital twins, reconstructed the historical interiors, and developed a VR experience guided by a digital monk avatar. The result is a long-term educational tool for the museum, helping visitors understand, experience, and remember Bulgarian spiritual and craft heritage in a more immersive way.